Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are actually going to showcase Miss Thing over here. Can you see her? Yes, if you're new to my channel, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's get into Who's That Girl, and you can watch me put her all the way together because it's going to be a little bit different today. And yeah, so come on, let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, let's go. Alright, so I actually got this wig from mybeautyextreme.com. I was scrolling on Instagram and somebody said, matter of fact, it was on their actual website, which I'm going to link below, that this wig was $12. Now, $12 for a Whatlace wig from Sensational? Baby, you know I had to jump on it, right? But by the time I went ahead and jumped on it, all the beautiful colors that I wanted her in were gone. So I was stuck with a 1B, and a number 2. I got your girl, Cora, in a number 2. So this is what she looks like. Let's go ahead and take her out the box together. I don't want no whips and chains. What the hell is this? That they done got on my daggone wig. How am I supposed to take this? Now, bitch, y'all know y'all wrong for this. How the hell am I supposed to take this off without this shit? They must have a lot of thieves over there in that beauty exchange place, because I ain't never seen no shit like this. What in the world? Alright, so let's just take her out. Anyway, so, oh, she is actually screwed on here, yo. Bumbleclot. How do I take this off without like the ink and stuff? No. To Google I must go. Anyway, before I do that, let's look at the inside of the cap construction. She got the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. She got the HD lace, that's HD lacing, I guess. She is super duper cute. Her curls are amazing. The way I can't wait to try on this wig, minus this little thumbtack thing. What the hell? Right, let me go to Google and find out how to do this. Oh baby. Sacrifice a little bit of that lace in the back, baby. Oh my god. Well, let me go ahead and try on this wig. I can't believe it. If you want to know what wig I actually have on my head right now, check out my last video. I'm about to take her off so I can try on Miss Thing. Alright, come on, let's go. If you're looking for an easy and fast way to take off your synthetic wigs after you glue it down, because baby, let me tell you, what you don't want to do is lose your edges now, is get you some bond release spray. This one is from Shea Moisturizer. I love this. I got like 2 bottles of this bad boy, and I got it from Ulta Beauty. It was on sale. This, all I do is spray it around the perimeter, like rub it in a little bit, and then baby lifts off real quick. So I'm gonna let my forehead dry off real quick before I add on Miss Thing, so that she don't get all sticky, because it gets sticky. All right, let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm about to put her on so you can see what she is looking like. Oh, she big hair friendly. Oh, yeah, baby. I like you already. She definitely comes ear to ear. Okay, Miss Cora, I see you. Her lace is definitely light. Let's look at what the front is looking like. She kind of sort of look like she pre-plucked, don't she? Like she real pre-plugged. Like pre-pleep. Alright folks, I had to switch over to a voiceover because my man decided to go to sleep and was snoring like crazy in the background, and you can hear it all throughout my video, and I'm like, yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm just going to go ahead and put her all the way together, as you can see what I'm doing, while I read you her stock card information. So again, this is Sensationnel Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig Collection, and her name is Cora, and I got her in the number 2. Now, Cora is 100% hand-tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. She is virtually undetectable HD lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out the box. Soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. Now she's 13 by 6. She's ear to ear, like I said, with a 6-inch deep hand-tied parting space. She's pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protected style with no leave out necessary. And my girl comes in beautiful colors like balayage, caramel, chocolate, gold, hazelnut, mocha, T1B4, and a T2 350. And she's also heat safe up to 400 degrees. She has a natural density, and an HD lace just keeps you guessing and guessing and guessing. Okay, what lace, baby? So right now, as you can see, I already put her on, melted her, trying to figure out if I wanted to do a middle part, which was kind of cute in the middle. But that flip over, baby, you see it. She's cute, 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 cute. Now, I only paid $12 for her, but Miss Cora usually goes for about under $50, I'm going to say. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll put her up on the screen or down below where you can purchase her. Now, would I buy her again? I would not even freaking hesitate. And for the $12, I should have bought more colors. But, like I said in the beginning, she was only available in the 1, the 1B, and the number 2. So next time I catch a sale like this, I'm definitely going to jump on it a lot earlier so I can get more wigs. I should have bought 2 in this color. It would have been totally fine. But anyway, listen. Folks, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Let them know that Vageline is showing y'all all these cutie patootie synthetic wigs for the year, for the decade, for whenever. And seriously, thank you guys for sharing your love of synthetic wigs with me. I truly do appreciate you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.